PSA 182, traffic 12 o'clock, 1 mile northbound. PSA 182, additional traffic, 12 o'clock, 3 miles, just north of the field, northeastbound of Cessna 172, climbing via fly out of 1,400.
Okay, we'll get good.
Cessna 7711 Golf, San Diego, departure radar contact. Maintain VFR conditions at or below 3,500. Fly heading 070, vector final approach course. PSA 182, the traffic's at 12 o'clock, 3 miles out of 1,700. Hey, sir, maintain visual separation, contact Limber Tower 133.3. Have a nice day now. That's an 01 Golf, traffic at 6 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound at PSA Jet inbound to Limber, down to 3,200, has you in sight.
Limber, PSA 182, downwind.
PSA 182, Lindbergh Tower. Traffic 12 o'clock, 1 mile west Cessna.
Okay, we had it there a minute ago.
182, roger.
Think he's fast enough, alright.
Roger. How far are you going to take it down when 182 company traffic's waiting for departure?
Probably about 3 to 4 miles.
Okay. PSA 207, taxi position at home.
207, position.
PSA 182, clear to land.
182 is clear to land.
The tone, the time will be 9:01 and 20 seconds. The tone, the time will be 9:01 and 30 seconds. The tone, the time will be 9:01 and 40 seconds.
PSA 766, contact 747.
Roger.
9:01.
PSA 207, clear for 2,000.
PSA 207.
That's the 11 Golf, traffic in your vicinity is PSA Jet as you inside, descending for Limburg.
The tone, the time.
Tower, we're going down. This is PSA.
Okay, we'll call the equipment for you.
The tone, the time will be 9.
What airline?
I'm afraid it was your company.
This is Coast Guard Rescue Dr. X-ray doing the Frank Brown Field. I heard about the fire that is now down with the landing about it.
143, 727, like he's in the heading. You can see the smoke north of you.
No, Roger.
This road is requested Coast Guard 1483.
The tone, the time will be
Do you know the company? PSA.